Well, here we are. We're back again. Well, I got something new to talk about here, and I've been waiting a while to get it, and it is, let me show you what's in here and what is this. Okay, well, it has something to do with this guy, right? My buddy. I gotta look after him. Stay tuned. Well, here we are. So, what are we gonna do? Well, we got a toothbrush, one that we don't need anymore. We got a piece of wood, and we have this here and this here, and we have this, and we have my everyday carry. We have some mink oil paste, and we have some metal cleaner. Have you figured it out yet? Well, let's open this up. Let's see what's in here. Oh, well, I'll let you know what it is. It's a 1 pound of green compound. I guess you figured it out now. And this is a brand new piece of leather that I had ordered, and we are going to do some maintenance on my everyday carry. This is my buck 110, and I'll show you a little bit more about it. It's what does that say? 428C. It's cryogenic, heat-treated stainless steel. It's got a lock back design in this safe unit. It's a buck class, a buck class, a 110 folding hunter, a B Avid level. I think there's one level higher than this, so we're in good hands here. So, like I said before, this is my second one here. It's still pretty sharp. I can still get away with some stuff, but it needs a cleaning and it needs a sharpening. So let's and plus I want to clean this. You can tell there's it's getting worn, and then it's getting, you know, it could use a good cleaning. I've had this now for a while. I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 months now. So I'm going to clean that up as well. But let's work on this right now. And this is my green compound. This is what I want to do. I want to cut this. Let's get this out of the way. I want to cut this in half. And I want to make a handle here for a strop. I want to put one flat or rough side up and one smooth side down on the other side. So that's one project that's going to be coming up real shortly. But today I want to get this cleaned up. So let's have a look at this. First time I've opened it up. I've had it for a little while now. This is a diamond retractable sharpener. Oh, that's a tip. Okay. Well, and it goes in here. Okay. So we'll tighten that up. All right, let's get this up a little bit here. Put this on its edge. There. Oh yeah. when you sharpen your knife, you want to get it at a low angle profile so you're not damaging too much of your blade edge. So now sometimes guys go this way, but I don't like doing that. I like to go so I can hold my knife at a very low profile here and have this go meet the angle of my blade here, the edge of the blade, and you shouldn't have to go too much. Oh yeah, I can feel that there already. That's pretty good. You know, you need to sharpen your blade. You don't want to get so dull that it doesn't have an edge on it, right? So that's the whole idea. You want to do this, maintain the edge all the time. This is the first time I've done this to this knife, so ideally you want to count each time you do, so you get that profile, you know, there. That profile, oh, there we go. I don't know if I can get that. Anyways, you want an even edge, you want your edge centered of your blade. Otherwise, you'll be okay. Back again. I ran out of space on my camera, so that's okay. We'll continue on. As I was saying, we want to count the number of times on both sides of your blades. You'll say you want to do, let's say, whatever times you've done on this side, do it on this side. So let's say you did 10, then you know you're going to have a nice even edge on this. So I'll count here again. So I think I've got more on that side, so we'll do it again. So we go. And like I said, you want to keep the profile low on your blade. Some people say they have a hard time doing if it's got a little bit of a this is fairly straight, but sometimes some blades got quite a recurve in here, and then the belly, and then your point, this has got a swedge in here, and your spine, and you got your choil down here. This doesn't have it, but this is fairly straight, so it's just like fairly straightforward, right? So you want to follow that profile of your blade. And then take your time. You don't want to rush. You don't want to rush doing this, otherwise you're going to ruin a perfectly good blade, and you'll have a hard time maintaining the edge. As you can see, this here is it's good for serrated. So I'm going to check this again here. You don't want to take the edge off. You always want to maintain. Maintain that edge. Should be hard to get it back once you've lost it. Yes, that's what I want there. So I'm going to put this away here. I'll be right back with another. We'll clean up the knife here. We'll get it ready in a minute here. All right. Well, I thought maybe we'll just do this. How wide is this now? we are looking at, I want to cut this right down the middle. What are we looking at here? 3 inches. So let's cut it at 1.5 inches. 1.5 inches is right there. Okay, so let's make a line. And we'll go there. There. And let's use this straight edge. And let's cut this leather in half. Now if I can just find my X-Acto blade, I'll be really happy. Well, oh, where is it? Where thou art you? Boy, you think you got something organized, you find out you can't find nothing. All right, this will do. So we're there and there. I thought this leather was going to be bigger, but that's okay. When you're buying something Amazon, you always think stuff look bigger than it is. But anyways, that's okay. So we're going to take I'll cut this open. And let's get some green compound on that leather, piece of leather. Let's check this out. You know what? I'm going to be honest with you guys. I've never used this before. Ever. I've never seen it done. And I'm excited to learn this. Like I said, that's why I'm a modern native on off-grid. I think that's enough. That looks like plenty. I don't ever see anybody use that much. But here we go. I'm quite excited about this. So this says it cleans off that wire on your wire. Oh yeah, you can see the metal right there, the dark stuff. That's that micro filings. Oh yeah, look at that. I like the way this feels. I can feel it working. Yeah, first time ever doing this, guys, people. I've never done this before. I see it a lot. I see it done a lot on YouTube. There's other fellows there who are more knowledgeable. I figure, well, there must be something to it if they're doing it. Most people are doing this. There's a white compound and black compound and jewelry compound for cleaning metals, and so I understand that now. Wow. Looks like I'll just leave this right here, and I'll be right back with yeah, like I said, I never did this type of system before, using compound. And I know leather stropping, I understand that from barbers, but I never thought it really applied to knives. But I guess I just never went that far. But it's always nice to learn new stuff and take care of things the way they, and you buy nice tools like this. It's you want to keep them for a long time, right? So I can see all that gray, black stuff, you know. Wow, that is awesome. I'm really impressed how that works. They say there's that black compound is really good. I'm going to be getting those next, black and white. And I'm going to try getting some stone, you know, the Chinese water stones or Japanese water stones. I want to try that. That looks really awesome. And I want to try, you know, all the different, you know, grits, 400,000, 8,000, you know, and then you know you have a really nice sharp edge. Now, I understand that. It makes a lot of sense. Whoa, is that ever? I wish you guys could just feel this. This is really awesome. Now, I could do a little bit more here. Okay, well, you know what? I'm going to stop this video for today, and the next thing I want to do is I'm going to clean this up, and I'm going to finish polishing this up. And it just doesn't seem like there's enough time. I'm already over 17 minutes on this video, so, or 18 minutes. So, but anyways, I'll post that up and on this project. And the next one, I guess we'll do the next one. We'll clean it up and make it really looking nice again. And do this, you know, that's awesome. I love it. Just love this kind of stuff. I really enjoy it. All right, well, you take care. I want to say thank you. I feel good about this. This stuff makes me happy. Anyways, if you want to like what I'm doing and give it a thumbs up, that's really awesome. We'll catch you on the next one. And don't forget, be good to each other and have a good day.